Hey YouTubers, Mike Borges with the Mike Borges channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that your furnace is turning off and then immediately turning back on, I want you to try something prior to actually taking parts off the furnace and or purchasing new parts. Let's take a few minutes, walk around the house and verify that all of your registers are properly set as well as not blocked or covered. And what I want you to do is, again, just adjust. As you can see inside here, as I adjust this register lever, it will move the flap inside, which allows you to control the amount of heat as well as AC coming out of this register. So with this register, I have it positioned where it's not fully closed. There is a small opening allowing heat to come out. On to the next room. This register is actually on the floor rather than coming out of the actual floor trim. And again, I just want to verify that it is open. There's no boxes or anything covering it. And the next register, which just happens to be the register that is closest to the thermostat, these doors, I was doing some painting recently and I laid some drop cloth here. And just to be safe, I didn't want any paint drips going down into the actual register vent and the duct, I taped over it. And because of that, it didn't allow any air to come out of this register, which interfered with the actual efficient reading of the thermostat. So after taking off this tape and opening up this register once again, my furnace started working properly. And right behind me, the furnace is set to 70 degrees right now. And before I took the tape off that register, once it got to 70, the furnace stopped and immediately turned back on and ran for another 5 to 10 minutes. And by the time it shut off again, it was upwards of 72 degrees in here, which was above the preset temperature of the actual thermostat. And one last thing, in the event that you walk through the entire house and check all the registers and all the registers are good, clear of all boxes, not covered up in any form, let's take a few minutes and actually look at your furnace filter, because in the event that it is so clogged, your furnace will not run properly and you will actually experience symptoms just like we are. At the end of this video, you will see a link that runs you through on how to actually change your filter. Definitely check that out. So I hope the video helped. Do me a favor, right below this video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be cool.